Hello everyone, welcome. Hope you are having a nice weekend. This is Trading Machine XO as you know. Okay, so as I decided that today I will do a BTC analyze for you, and I will also be covering a couple of altcoins. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin. As I already mentioned, the key level for me was around 86, 85, 800, 86 around here. As you can see, this level was given, but unfortunately, due to weekend, as you know, I don't pull triggers on weekends. So I will personally wait for Monday to observe how things goes, but there are many questions out there about bottom is in or not, blah blah blah. So let's do. And my personally goal here is to do what the market offers. Okay, I cannot anticipate anything at the moment, but I will try to show you what market is actually offering. So first, good thing is that the good sign is that the momentum to the downside is slowed down before we had this push lower into 74s as recently I talked about in last video of that 74 is going to be key for the mouse. And since we traded into 74s, we got the good reaction. We held well above, and then this relief, this nice relief across the board. Okay, so let's first of all observe the structure here. Okay, this is lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. This is possible. It can be another lower high. I don't know. We will see. Okay. But this reaction is so far so good. But only thing that is a little bit of cautions for me is this rally has been all over the weekend. Okay, so structure wise, we can say the structure is still bearish, but the on the downside we have slowed down the momentum. We are not getting downsides like this one anymore. So let me give you an easy triggers how you can play this. I don't know if bottom is in or not. The only thing I know that bottoms can form in two ways. Let me quickly explain. One way of being bottom form is a big capitulation candle lower, maybe 10, 20K in a couple of days, and then the V-shape recovery. Okay. Another bottoms we often find on weekly and monthly supports. For example, this is a monthly support and we are pushing lower, deviate, and then we find a range for at least couple of weeks. Then we got a breakout and the bottom is. So here I can see the range, but I'm not confident at the moment on bottom. But to keep it simple, let me give you some figures. If price start accepting above 86, 87K, this is my key area, then we can say the bottom is in. And if we clean break above that and then start accepting above them, then we can likely going to trade and take out these highs around 92, 94K. Okay. But if you think the price is going to go higher and there's some good signs like momentum has been slowed down, this double bottom on 4 hour. So what you can do if you're bullish, you need to see price must hold Round about 81, 82K on pullback. Okay, round about here. Let's do it in green. Is green for support. So on pullback, what you want to see 82, 81K must hold. Okay, this is the area you want to bid if you are bullish on Bitcoin. So this is the must hold area for Bitcoin if it want to go another leg higher, if we want to go higher. Okay. Until then, it is clearly a wedge for me. Low time frame 87, 86 supply, 81, 82 demand. Let's keep it simple. But if in case price starts accepting below 81, 82K, then this is likely going to take out these lows here. Okay. So being bullish here, what you want to see a pullback into 82, 81K, and then accept above and then a leg higher. Take out these highs around 92, 91K. All right. So this is how I'm looking to play this. I wanted to short around 86 as you know here, and we got good reaction, but due to weekend I didn't pull the triggers. Well, tomorrow is a big day for me. I will come back on the desk. So this is how you want to see this play out. Okay, pull back into 81, 82, must hold for a leg higher. Take out these highs. This should be your target if we hold above 82, 81. If in case we lose 81, 82K, then we can go much higher and take out these lows going into next week. That's simple as that. So personally, if I want to see if I want to see price trading into these range highs around 92, 94K, then what I want to see 81, 82K hold, and it must hold. Okay. So basically, this is your must hold area if he wants higher. Okay, like this. Then take out these highs. If we lose 81, 82K, then you can this is likely going to trade into these lows here. Got it? I hope you understand. Now, if you look at the higher time frame, I also posted this on my Telegram. This is still the plan, okay? Sometimes we have to be more patient. Yes, if we start again, as I explained to you, that if we start accepting, if we hold 80 to 81K on pullback and then we got the push higher and break this diagonal, then we can likely going to trade around 892, 94K. But until we are below 86, 87K, I am expecting 82, 81 to be tested, and that's going to be a key level. If we lose 81, 82K, then on low time frame, you can expect this price to go there into range loss. But on higher time frame, I'm personally only holding some spot positions we bought, like Ethereum and DSYNC. I sold Plum spot position, as you know. I'm still holding Ethereum and DSYNC, and they are both in profits. If Ethereum goes to around 70, 100, 1800, then I will likely take some profit. So this is simple as that. Now let's quickly move to altcoin. I was looking out for. This is the altcoin ZRO. Okay, this is an interesting setup. This is more of a learning for you. Look at this long downtrend, and then we finally break the downtrend. Then we are currently out of this downtrend. So what you want to see hold price hold here, okay, around 1.9 price must hold here. Then likely we are going to push higher. If you're planning to play it, then your acceptance, your invalidation should be around here, below this. Okay. But this actually looks good to me. But tomorrow I will bet for at least tomorrow to pull triggers. I am not touching anything in leverage or new spot positions. Expect from Ethereum and DSY and C. So you can study on this chart how this long downtrend has been broken on the first higher high. Then what you want to see, you want to see a lower high here, okay, in this area. Then we can possibly have another leg. So one of the Telegram member actually talked about Peanut. It is I think it is a meme coin, and let's wrap it up and look into it. Oh fuck, man. This is not a good chart. Yes, meme coins can sometimes surprise us with bigger green candles, but this is certainly not the chart I want to see, especially if I'm looking to play a spot. If let's have a look at the low time frame. No, I'm not interested in this chart. Yes, but if we start pushing higher and reclaim this area, this is crucial area. Okay, this is the highest volume profile area. If we start accepting up, if we start going up, then I want to see break of this 0.17, 0.18 area. Then I will become interested in trading this meme coin. But here I think this is not looking good. Maybe on lowest time frames. Let's have a look. Maybe on lowest time frames he can hold this support and give us a little bounce. Maybe a good bounce here, possibly here around 0.1 to 0.13. But until then, I'm not interested in trading this meme coin. This is not looking good for me. Okay, so this is it for today. Sorry for the delay as I'm having a very busy schedule nowadays, and I'm looking to be right back tomorrow, and we will go back to work tomorrow. Hope you are having a lovely weekend. Thank you so much. See you all.